Guys, this is how to trade volatility 75 index and make consistent profit. How you can trade volatility 75 index and make consistent profit. Time frame is 4-hour time frame. Two indicators are needed: moving average and MACD. Moving average and MACD. This is how the indicator works. When you see a simultaneous crossing from the side of MACD indicator and also in the side of moving average, that is a clear entry. If the crossing is downward, that is a clear sell entry. If the crossing is upward, that is a clear buy entry. If you make use of this particular strategy, I don't see any reason why you will not be consistently profiting in trading forex. Do you understand? Let me show you how it works. Now watch here. Watch the simultaneous crossing here. You see that the candlestick crosses in the side of a moving average, and also the crossing occur in the side of a MACD. This is a clear sell signal. Do you understand? You make your entry here, and this is a huge profit. Follow this particular strategy and you will see how your account will grow. Do you understand? I don't see reason why people keep on blowing their accounts. Do you understand? This channel, Optimal FS, will share profitable strategies. Do you understand? This particular strategy, follow it. I don't see any reason why you will make losses. Do you understand? To the extent of blowing your account again. Do you understand? So when you see the crossing occur in the side of MACD, also at the same time in the side of moving average, that is a clear entry. Do you understand? This is what a clear sell entry. This is it. A clear sell entry. Do you understand? Let's move. You see, this is a huge profit. This is what a huge profit. Now, this is another entry here. This is what another clear entry. Do you understand? This is, look at it. This is crossing in the side of MACD. This is crossing in the side of MACD. This is crossing in the side of moving average. Both of them happening at the same time. Do you understand? This is what a clear, this is a clear sell. Look at it. This is what a clear sell entry. So you make your entry, make your what entry there, and this is what a huge profit. Now, if you are following this strategy, I don't see any reason why you will blow your account again. I don't see any reason why you will not be in consistent profit. Do you understand? So follow this strategy and you will make. Now let's see here. Look at the crossing here. Now watch here. Watch here. You see that the crossing occur here. The crossing occur here, but here the market is already above, so there is no simultaneous crossing in this case. Do you understand? The strategy is straightforward. Do you understand? Straightforward. This is money printing strategy. Do you understand? Now, so here is not this particular. Here is the first signal because there is no simultaneous crossing. Have you seen it? There is no, already the market is above moving average. Do you understand? So you don't make this trade, you don't take it. We are looking for where there is a simultaneous crossing. Now watch here. Are you seeing it? This is a clear simultaneous crossing, and Are you seeing it? As clear as it is. Now tell me why you will not be making excess profit. This is a clear sell signal, and this is what a huge profit. Hundreds of dollars, thousands of dollars, depending on your lot size. Do you understand? So this is a killer strategy. Do you understand? As it continues now, watch here. Look at this crossing here. There is a simultaneous crossing here. So you need to make your trades. You need to make your trade here. Though the profit here is not much. Do you understand? So as little as this, once any entry you are making, make sure that you use appropriate stop loss. Now, the right stop loss as far as this particular strategy is concerned is once you are making your entry, your stop loss should be a little bit above the moving average or a little bit below the moving average. If you are buying, your stop loss should be below the moving average, just below the moving average. Then if you are selling, your stop loss should be just above the moving average. If you are buying, your stop loss should be just below the moving average. Do you understand? So that's it. Now let's see here. Look at see here. So this particular place, the crossing is not simultaneous, so you can ignore it. We only focus on what simultaneous crossing. So that is all about this strategy, a simultaneous crossing in the side of MACD and in the side of moving average. Let me show you the settings. Moving average period is 50, shift to 0, method is simple, apply to close. Do you understand? Style, use color of your choice. Now in the side of MACD, the fast EMA is 12, slow EMA is 26, MACD SMA is 2, apply to close. Do you understand? Then when it comes to the style, choose the pixel and the color of your choice. So this is all you need to make excess profit with this particular strategy. Do you understand? It is applicable on volatility 75 index 4-hour time frame. Do you understand? This is Optimal FS. If you like the video, hit the subscribe button, share it. If you have any question, use the comments section. Do you understand? Thank you.